Algorand is a cryptocurrency that is number 46 and worth about $882 million on the market. It's interesting to see that Algorand has a 24-hour trading volume of about $48 million, which gives it a big presence on the market. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video as we look at some interesting price data for Algorand. First of all, we see that Algorand was able to keep a certain level, which we knew was important for its success. Then, as we expected, there was a push to the upside. We also saw a break above the 200 EMA exponential moving average. In our previous analysis we talked about how important it was to get past this level, so it was nice to see it happen. However, things have taken a different turn and we are now seeing a break below the 200 EMA, which is not good for algebra. We wanted to see the price stay above the CMA because we were sure it would set the stage for a big bull ISH move that would take Algorand to new heights. Still, despite the current setback, there is still hope for a period of consolidation before another surge. While the break of the 200 EMA may not seem too bad right now, we should be careful and keep an eye on possible consolidation and momentum building. This period of consolidation is important because it lays the groundwork for future upward momentum. Indicators like the overbought condition and the Z-score indicator point to the need for a cooling off period before the next surge. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Let's move on to Ethereum. Now, not only has Ethereum grown a lot in the last week, but it has also grown a lot in the last day. This shows that the market and investors are optimistic about Ethereum. Ethereum is an independent blockchain platform that lets people make apps that don't need a central server, like smart contracts. dapp's original cryptocurrency, Ether, is used to power the Ethereum network and run smart contracts. As a pioneer in blockchain technology, Ethereum has a big place in the crypto community. The Ethereum network has changed the way we think about and use digital contracts, decentralized applications, and even initial coin offerings to raise money. NFTs. One of the most important ways to use Ethereum is in decentralized banking, where it can be used for supply chain management, identity verification, and a lot more. As people look for decentralized alternatives to traditional financial systems, DeFi platforms use Ethereum smart contracts to offer financial services like loans, yield farms, decentralized exchanges, and the creation of synthetic assets. The growth of DeFi has made Ethereum more important and used. Because of what Ethereum can do, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are unique digital assets that show ownership or authenticity of digital and physical things, have become more popular. NFTs have become very popular in areas like digital art and video games, collectibles, and intellectual property rights because it works well with them and is strong. As Ethereum continues to grow and change, its future looks very bright. The planned Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, also known as Ethereum's move to a proof-of-stake consensus method, is expected to improve scalability, security, and energy efficiency. This change has gotten a lot of attention from the cryptocurrency community because it could give Ethereum even more chances to grow. The fact that it has a value of 1920 and is very interesting also makes it a very interesting coin in the cryptocurrency world. Its importance in the cryptocurrency community cannot be overstated, as Ethereum's strong environment is a key driver of innovation and decentralization. Ethereum is used in many areas, such as decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are shaping the future of finance and digital ownership. As Ethereum continues to grow, its potential for more growth and impact is exciting for investors, developers, and the wider crypto community. As BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours, it's time to buy. The recent 2% rise in Bitcoin's price in 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers as the market continues to change. We should find out if this increase means that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees a growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not exist. Saylor gave three main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs custodians, technical, political, and it's only Saylor who agreed that some government systems might make it necessary to rely on third-party custodians. Guardians, on the technical side, he knew that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple helped make mobile crypto payments work. Saylor also said that some people, like the old or people who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations, might be better off giving their things to someone else. Saylor thinks that Bitcoin will integrate in different ways, and that the market will figure out the best mix of institutional and self-sovereign ways. He said that people shouldn't be afraid of the many ways to integrate because the changing Bitcoin market will naturally figure out the best mix of ways to integrate. In the last 24 hours, the price of Bitcoin has been $29,366. On CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin worth $6.1 billion has been bought and sold. Bitcoin is at the top and is worth $571 billion on the market. There are currently 19,455,681 BTC coins in circulation, but the most that can be made is 21 million BTC coins. How much is Bitcoin going to cost? The technical picture for Bitcoin hasn't changed, and neither has the amount of support, which is around $2,920. BTC has a neutral bias right now because it is unlikely to go above $29,600 in the next 4 hours. If there is a positive breakout above $29,600, BTC could reach $30,200. Of MicroStrategy talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not work. Saylor gave 3 main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs custodians: a technical, politics, and it's only. Saylor agreed that, from a political point of view, some government structures might make it necessary to rely on third-party guardians. On the technical side, he understood that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple help make mobile crypto transfers work. Saylor also said that it might be safer for some people, like the elderly or those who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations, to give their possessions to someone else. Saylor thinks that Bitcoin will have different ways of integrating, and that the market will figure out the best mix of institutional and self-sovereign ways. He said that people shouldn't be afraid of the